In the first video, we discussed how to find out minors, cofactors, cofactor matrix, adjoint matrix, and inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix. I am now explaining how to do it in case of 3 cross 3 matrix. Students, I must tell you, this topic is very important, and in board exams we get a definite question to find out using inverse the value of x, y and z in a question we are going to study in due course of time. So if you practice these questions, understand them well, it will fetch you good 4 or 6 marks in board exams. Let us start. Let us consider a 3 rows, 3 column matrix having 9 elements A11, A12, A13, first row, first column, second column, third column, first row, second row, third row. We are taking these matrix and considering this example 1, 3, 2, 2 minus 1, 4, 1, 2, 5. What is a minor? Again, M11 requires if we hide the first row and hide the first column. What do we get here? If we hide the first row and first column, we get A22, A23, A32, A33. See, A22, A23, A32, A33. Now let us do it over here. In the example, hide the first row and hide the first column. What do we observe? We observe minus 1, 4. Minus 1, 4, 2, 5. Write it in the form of a determinant. We know how to solve a determinant. Minus 1 into 5 minus 2 into 4. What do we get? Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. 2 into 4 is 8. And in between we put minus sign. Minus 5 minus 8 is minus 13. You can see M12 first row, second column, A21, A23, A31, A33. Do it in the example also. First row, second column, height. 2, 4, 1, 5. Solve. 2 5s are 10, 4 1s are 4. Third. First row, third column. What do we get? 2 1, 2 2, 3 1, 3 2. Do it in the example. First row, third column. 2 minus 1, 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1, 2. Find out the value. 2 2s are 4. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. In between the minus sign is going to change this minus into plus. 4 and 1 is 5. This is how we are going to get M11, M21, M22, 23, 31, 32, 33. And the values are minus 13, 6, 5, 11, 3, minus 1, 14, 0, minus 7. Now once we have found out the minors of the matrix A having 3 rows and 3 columns, we get 9 values of minors: M11, M12, M13, M21, M22, M23, M31, M32, M33. We know the formula of cofactor as we have studied before. In case of 2 rows, 2 columns, same formula we will apply. Cij equals minus 1 to the power I plus j multiplied by mij. C11 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 M11. Minus 1 raised to the even power is always plus and odd power is negative. Since 1 plus 1 is even, so we will get plus. Plus means there will be no change in sign. Minus will means if there is minus sign, the plus will become minus and the minus will become plus. Plus is outside, inside is minus, it will remain minus. Second, C12 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 M12. It is equal to minus 1, minor is 6, it becomes minus 6. C13, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 is even. Even means it will convert into plus sign. M13 is 5 and 5 and plus it will become only 5. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, odd. M21 is 11, minus 11 minus 11. This is how we find out the cofactors. After finding out cofactor, we make a matrix C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. Let us arrange these elements according to this in a matrix form, 3 rows and 3 columns. The next thing we need to find out is adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix is transpose of cofactor matrix. We have discussed previously also what is the meaning of transpose. Transpose means to change rows into column. Adjoint of A, the same cofactor matrix with dash. This is the row is becoming column. Second row, second column. Third row, third column. This is very simple and it is some sort of care you have to take while doing this calculation work. Otherwise, this is something not very difficult and it fetches marks with the simple knowledge of mathematics. So what is adjoint of A? Minus 13, minus 11, 14, minus 6, 3, 0, 5, 1, minus 7. After finding out the adjoint of matrix, we proceed on to find out the inverse of a matrix. The formula for inverse of a matrix is adjoint A divided by determinant A. Again, condition should be determinant A is not 0. For this, first we require to find out the value of determinant. In case of 3 rows and 3 columns, we find out the determinant considering first row, second row, third row, first column, second column, third column. So let us proceed in finding out determinant using first row. How to find out? First element, hide the first row, hide the second row, you get -1, 4, 2, 5. Put it in the determinant. We are multiplying these two. Then first number is considered with positive, means no change in sign. Second is considered with negative, means change in sign. Third is considered with positive, no change. Again, when we consider the second element, we hide the first row, we hide the second column. Is it clear? You can see first row, second column. What do you observe? 2, 4, 1, 5. 2, 4, 1, 5. Multiply it with the second element, sign is changed. Third row, third element, 2. For 2, hide 2, first row, 2 minus 1, 1, 2. Put it in the determinant. Multiply these two. What is this determinant? -1 into 5, -5. 2 4s are 8, minus sign in between. Then -3. Had it been minus inside, then it would have become plus. But since 3 is positive, so positive and negative will remain negative. Solve this determinant. 2 5s are 10, minus 4. That is 6. Third element is 2. Determinant is 2 minus 1, 1, 2. 2 2s are 4. In between there is minus sign, so minus 1 and minus will become plus. We get 1 into -13, -3 into 6 and 2 into 5. -13, -18 and +10. -31 +10. Value of determinant is -21 and determinant A is not 0. We can find out the inverse using the formula 1 over determinant A multiplied by adjoint A. 1 over -2, 1, -13, -11, 14, -6, 3, 0, 5, 1, -7. Is it clear? So, we can find out the inverse of matrix. This is all in matrix form, and we are converting and writing it matrix because it has to be matrix. Divide every element of this matrix by -21. Every element has to be divided by -21. What is -21? -21 is the determinant of A. Now we are getting, you can see matrix is a bit box shape and determinant is parallel line. We have to keep in mind while writing the cofactor matrix, while writing the adjoint, we use this box sign. But while discussing a matrix, we have to convert it in box shape. Determinant is parallel lines. Matrix is in box. On the basis of these two videos which I have prepared, You are requested to solve the assignment which I am sending you. It is not very lengthy assignment, but if you solve it, it is going to give you a good foundation for doing the questions we are going to discuss in due course of time. Thank you.